Are you ready to level up your camera game in 2025? Whether you're a pro photographer, a content creator, or just want jaw-dropping shots for your socials, this is the list you've been waiting for. Today, we're counting down the top 10 best cameras you can buy right now. Let's get into it. 1. Panasonic Lumix S5 II. Kicking things off with a bang, the Lumix S5 II. Don't let the size fool you. This compact full-frame camera is a total powerhouse. You get stunning 6K video, rock-solid image stabilization, and silky smooth autofocus. Perfect for creators who shoot both video and photos, without spending flagship money. 2. Nikon Zfc. Vintage vibes meet modern magic. The Nikon Zfc gives you that throwback look, but under the hood, it's all 2025 tech, 4K video, a 20.9 megapixel sensor, and fast autofocus. If you love aesthetics and performance, this one's a total vibe. 3. Canon EOS R8. Canon is coming in hot with the R8, one of the most affordable full-frame mirrorless cameras out there. You get gorgeous 4K at 60 FPS, Canon's signature color magic, and snappy autofocus. Ideal for vloggers, streamers, or anyone getting serious about content. 4. Fujifilm X-T5. Want the classic camera feel with top-tier performance? The Fujifilm X-T5 delivers with a 40-megapixel sensor, pro film simulations, and retro controls that photographers love. This one's made for storytellers who want style, soul, and sharp shots. 5. Sony ZV-E1. Designed for creators, by creators, the Sony ZV-E1 is a compact full-frame camera with cinematic features and AI framing that literally tracks you like a pro director. Vloggers, YouTubers, TikTokers, this is your go-to. Right finger quick plug. If you're a content creator, check out our video on the top 10 keyboards in 2025. Hit that little icon at the top right. Trust me, your setup needs it. 6. Nikon Z8. The Nikon Z8 is a beast. A mini version of the Z9 with insane 45.7 megapixel stills, crisp 8K video, and high-speed performance. If you're into sports, wildlife, or weddings, this one's built for speed and detail. 7. Canon EOS R5 Mark II. Say hello to Canon's flagship hybrid shooter. The R5 Mark II improves on everything: better thermals, next-gen autofocus, and sharper 8K. If you're a pro who needs elite performance in both video and photo, this is it. 8. Sony A7RV. For those who want all the pixels, the A7RV packs a whopping 61 megapixel sensor, AI-powered autofocus, and unmatched detail. Perfect for landscape photography, studio work, and anything where quality is king. 9. Leica Q3. Luxury meets simplicity. The Leica Q3 brings a 60 megapixel sensor and a stunning fixed 28mm lens into a minimalist body. It's not just a camera, it's a statement. Ideal for street photography, travel, and everyday moments with style. 10. Sony A1 Mark II. And finally, the crown jewel of 2025, the Sony A1 Mark II. 8K video, 50 megapixel stills, ultra-fast burst, and elite-level performance across the board. If you want the absolute best of the best, this is the camera. And that's the list, the 10 best cameras in 2025. Which one's your favorite? Are you team Sony, Canon, Nikon, or are you going full retro with Fujifilm or Leica? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome tech content, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next.